Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can apply a layer style to a text layer in Photoshop Elements to apply selected layer effects to all its text. For example, you can apply a stroke layer effect to a vector type layer as a layer style to apply a stroke to all its text. You can apply and/or modify the layer style effects you apply as a layer style by using the Style Settings dialog box in Photoshop Elements as usual. You can also clear all effects applied by a layer style from a layer if you no longer want them. To apply layer style effects to a text layer as a layer style in Photoshop Elements, first select the text layer in the Layers panel. Note that you can technically select any layer if desired. So you can also select text and raster layers you created using the Type Mask tools if you wish. To apply a layer style preset, then click the Styles button in the taskbar, or select Window Styles from the menu bar to show the Styles pane at the right side of the window. Use the drop-down at the top of this panel to select the set of preset layer styles to show in the panel. To apply a style shown in the panel to the text, click it to select it. To switch back to showing the Layers panel at the right side of the window, click the Layers button in the taskbar, or select Window, then Layers from the menu bar. After applying a layer style to a selected layer in the Layers panel, note that the FX icon then appears at the right end of the layer in the Layers panel to show it now has a layer style applied to it. To edit a layer style, double-click the FX icon at the right end of the selected layer in the Layers panel to open the Style Settings dialog box. Alternatively, to use this same dialog box to apply layer style effects to a layer selected in the Layers panel, if you choose not to use a preset layer style, choose Layer, Layer Style, Style Settings from the menu bar. To apply or remove each specific layer style effect setting, check or uncheck the checkboxes in each effects section in this dialog box. To specify additional options for any layer style effects you apply, use the additional checkboxes, drop-downs, and sliders in its expanded Effects Settings section. To apply the changes when you are finished, click the OK button in the dialog box. To clear a layer style from a layer in Photoshop Elements, click the layer to clear in the Layers panel. Then right-click the FX icon at the right end of the layer and select the Clear Layer Style command from the pop-up menu. Alternatively, select Layer, Layer Style, Clear Layer Style from the menu bar.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.